All right, quick question for you. Are you frustrated with affiliate marketing? Are you frustrated trying to learn this business? Because I'm guessing you probably are. I've been an affiliate marketer for 10 years. Successful affiliate marketer. This is how I pay for my life, through affiliate marketing. It's all I do. Don't have another job. This is it. My niche is real estate. I'm in the real estate niche. I promote real estate products, courses, software, things like that through affiliate marketing programs, and that's how I make my money. And I see a lot of people in trying to get into affiliate marketing, and it's similar to real estate, right? There's a lot of real estate coaches teaching crazy, wacky stuff that doesn't work, and it's the same in affiliate marketing, crazy, wacky stuff that doesn't work. Their affiliate marketing coaches, typically their pitch is, I'll teach you how to be an affiliate marketer to sell my product, right? That's not teaching you to be an affiliate marketer. That's signing you up, making you pay money to promote them, and it's usually not successful. Or you have other coaches out there in affiliate marketing, and they always start off their video or their course or whatever, and they say, first thing you do is sign up for Amazon affiliate or ClickBank. And as soon as I hear that, I think, all right, this is just a recipe for disaster. All right, and I'm going to explain to you why. Amazon affiliate. They pay so little on stuff, so little. Their cookie, which is how they track that it was from your affiliate link, only lasts for 24 hours. All right, so let's say you're promoting pick something, an air mattress, okay? Once somebody clicks your link, if they don't buy it within 24 hours, you don't get the sale. So if they go and they look at it and they leave and they come back, right, you don't get the sale. Plus they only pay you, I think Amazon affiliates now, I think it's like maybe average 3%, right? So you need so much traffic going there to make a living. Now, sure, you might make $50 here and $50 there, but if you want to be a full-time affiliate marketer, it isn't going to work. It's not going to work at all, unless you have a YouTube channel or a blog that's just getting tens of thousands or hundred thousands of views. Those same affiliate marketing coaches will also tell you to sign up for a affiliate marketplace like ClickBank, or there are others like that. And so people coming into the business think that's the only way they can sign up to be an affiliate for anybody, and it's completely wrong. Most companies, software companies or whoever, have a link on the bottom of their website that says become an affiliate or be a partner or partner program or something like that. So you can go right to the company and sign up to be an affiliate for them. All right. But most coaches don't teach you that. And I don't know why, because those are the best programs typically to be on. So what do I do? How am I successful at this? I've been doing it 10 years. I started with a website and then I kind of transitioned to YouTube, because when somebody is looking to buy something or has an issue or has a problem they want solved, a lot of times go to YouTube looking for the answer. And YouTube is a search engine, right? We go there and we go, how to, best software for whatever. We're looking for something on YouTube. So I make content around those keywords. They're called buyer intent keywords in my niche, which is real estate, right? So if somebody's looking for a specific software, like for us, it's like a lead generation software or maybe a website or something, I make review videos on that. or I'll do like how to, right? How to find real estate leads or something like that. And I'll make a video and I'll highlight maybe one or two of those pieces of software. And then I'll say, use my link, right? Hey, if you like this video, you got value, you like my demo, you like my review, use the link, help out the channel, whatever. Or I give a bonus. I say, hey, if you're going to sign up for the software, use my link in the description and I'll give you something extra, right? And that's how you do it. That's how I do it. So let's talk about this channel for a minute, Beach Bum University. I've had the name Beach Bum University for quite a while, the domain name. And the reason I made it is because I wanted to teach people this. I wanted to teach people how to build a lifestyle. In my case, being a beach bum, I'm here in Florida, right? It's nice outside, palm trees around. But I wanted to live this lifestyle. I wanted to live near the beach. I don't live right on the beach. I'm not a millionaire, but I make really good money doing this. But I wanted to live in Florida. I wanted to live near the beach. I wanted to work on my own schedule. I wanted to go when I want to take off time. I don't have to ask my boss. I can go to the beach and walk around. I can go get a coffee or iced coffee or, a beer at the bar or whatever I want to do and live that lifestyle. Right, so I came up with Beach Bum University. Learn to live your best life. Learn to live the life that you want. You don't have to be a beach bum. I mean, like if your dream is to move to the mountains or move to another state or be a digital nomad and travel the country, you can do whatever, right? So I've been, because there's so many coaches and people that call themselves coaches, just teaching just weird strategies that don't work. I've been thinking about making content on this channel to show you how I do it, to show you what works for me, right? I'm not saying there's other things out there that don't work, but I'm saying most affiliate marketers fail. Probably, I'm going to guess 95% of affiliate marketers never make a full-time income at it. And probably 80% don't make enough to go out and have a nice dinner, right? Only probably 5%, 5 to 10% actually figure it out. So I'd like to build this channel around helping you figure it out. What do you think? Do you like that idea? Would you like somebody that has done this for 10 years to show you how they make a full-time living at it? I don't do anything else. This is it. I do affiliate marketing. I just started a school group in my niche, in my real estate niche, where I get on and I'm showing people a tactic that they can use to generate leads in real estate. But I've only had that 2 months and people pay to sign up for it, $30 a person. And I've got like 50 people in there already. And then in that group, I have a course that as I'm walking it through, I say, hey, you need this software, sign up for this, and you need this software, sign up for that. And those are my affiliate links. So they're signing up for those things. So between the subscriptions to the course or to the group and affiliate commissions, that group's already close to making me $3,000 a month. In 2 months, and that's recurring. I get that every month, right? Because people keep paying the membership to be in the group. People keep buying the software. Now I get people that drop out and new people to join, but the goal is to keep more people joining than dropping out. And so far, I haven't had many people drop out. So, but that's a good way to promote affiliate programs. And then, then I have my softwares and things that I promote for the real estate industry on YouTube. And that makes me really good money, right? I mean, $3,000 is really good money, but I make more on the other stuff. So I want to teach other people how to do that on this channel, Beach Bum University. So I need a favor from you, though. I need you to comment below if you're interested in me making content for this. If you're interested in making money. Now, my specialty is YouTube, right, for the most part. But if you're interested in me teaching you how I make money doing this, comment and tell me you're interested in it. If you find this video, there's not many people on this channel yet, so I'm hoping this video gets some traction. But comment and tell me that you want me to show you how I make money in affiliate marketing. And then of course, like the channel or like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, comment and let me know if I started a school group on the school community platform, so I could get in there a couple times a week and host a Zoom meeting, so you could come on and ask me anything. Would you be interested in that? Right? I could do a little mini course in there, how to get started, right? I could do I could do a twice a week video and just get on there and talk with all of you and tell you how I've done this, how I've made mistakes and I've learned, and but I make good money doing this, and I'm not saying my way is the only way, and a lot of people will tell you that if they're pitching like this, something like this to you, but I'm not going to do that. There's a lot of ways to make money online, but I can tell you how I did it. I can tell you how I make 10 grand a month on average doing this, which is a good life, right? I'm not saying you'd be a millionaire. You could surpass me and make $1 million, but I'm going to tell you how you could do it full time and make money doing it. Now, again, my thing is YouTube. We can talk about other things. I used to do more content on a website. I think search traffic is going away. I think AI is going to really damage that. And people just aren't, a lot of websites, a lot of review websites and blog websites, the traffic is really dropping the last couple of years with AI, and it's just going to keep getting worse. But people are still going to YouTube and searching for things, right? They're getting ready to buy a product, so they're searching, they're searching that product's name, review. They're saying, how do I do this? And a lot of times a software or a course is a solution for that thing. So I think I would be a good guy to teach you that, right? If you're interested in doing some YouTube content and in making money in affiliate marketing, then do like I ask and just comment and tell me that you want me to keep moving forward with this. Because if I get interest in it, then I'll say, you know what? People are raising their hands saying, do it, David. So I'll do it, okay? So that's it. You know what to do. Comment below. If I get a few comments, I get some people interested in this, I will start immediately and get going on the project. Okay, so comment below and I will hopefully talk to you soon. Bye.